Lower cholesterol and triglycerides naturally with this homemade remedy made of just 2 ingredients. A fast lifestyle with lacking physical activity can trigger cholesterol and triglycerides levels. An excess amount of blood lipids cause buildup in your artery walls, thus raises the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Unfortunately, there are not many symptoms to recognize this condition. However, in some cases, yellow deposits can form around your eyelids or any other part of the body. Although it's a common problem, high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides may increase your risk of developing heart disease. In other words, it thickens the walls of the blood vessels, resulting in atherosclerosis. To sum up, this is the leading cause of death in the US, and in the world in general. Moreover, heavy drinking and high alcohol consumption can increase your risk of developing these cerebrovascular diseases. Here is a natural homemade remedy to lower cholesterol and triglycerides. Ingredients: 3 dried figs, 200 milliliters of organic apple cider vinegar. Preparation: you should always make sure to prepare the remedy before bedtime and take it in the morning. Take 3 dried figs and prick them on all sides with the help of a toothpick. Then, put them in a jar and pour in 200 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. You should consume the remedy after a 12-hour window, therefore if you prepare the treatment at 8 p.m., eat your figs at 8 a.m. Do not throw the rest of the solution, yet in that same vinegar. Next night use it again to soak another 3 dried figs. In fact, you can use the same vinegar for 7 days, but the figs will absorb most of it. On day 8, take another 200 milliliters of vinegar and repeat for another week. The entire process of this treatment lasts 14 days. Additionally, you should eat a well-balanced diet, including regular exercise. Moreover, weight loss is often more decisive than the weight that you lose when dieting. Do your regular checkup after 2 weeks and be amazed by the results.